Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm an agile coach and a facilitator. Today I will talk about something called limiting beliefs. That is something that we all have and we all fall victim to, for better or for worse. If you like these videos, please consider to subscribe and share. That would be awesome. Okay, so limiting beliefs is a concept and it comes with a lot of different definitions. But in general, it's false or restrictive thoughts that prevents individuals or teams from achieving their goals. And I deliberately included teams here because I often work with teams, right? And we can find these limiting beliefs in teams as well. Some of these classic examples of limiting beliefs, for instance, is I'm too old, or I don't know the people, I don't fit in, I'm not smart enough, or I'm not good at public speaking. And what's super important to know about these limiting beliefs is they are not just bad things. We have them for a reason. They are, in a lot of cases, also self-preservation techniques. We will put it up to not hurt our own feelings and our own self-worth and our own self-image, right? So in this way, we are protecting ourselves. And that's also why being aware of these limiting beliefs is quite important, because that is what can help us push the boundaries, learn new stuff that we otherwise would just have said, no, I can't do that. That's outside my comfort zone, or outside my skill set or my abilities. So the way I like to work with these limiting beliefs is first we need to identify the limiting belief. If you think of a retrospective, for instance, you can often see that a lot of the things that comes up might be actually limiting beliefs in the team itself. So how can we identify these? You can also look at yourself in your life. Is there a place where you hold yourself back because you feel that you're not good enough or you're not smart enough? And when you have that, then acknowledge why is that limiting beliefs there? What experiences have made it such? And then change the perspective. So for instance, with I'm not smart enough, change it to what is called a positive affirmation. So I am capable of growing and learning. That is a positive affirmation of this one, right? I can do this. And if I believe, or if I at least tell myself, I am possible of learning and growing, how can I then see signs of a positive change? What positive improvements can I see? I've learned a new skill. I picked up a new book. I got a new friend. I am capable of people. I got a new friend. I got a new ally. I got a new wingman, whatever we call it, right? And when we have identified these positive changes, then we can start to make concrete actions. For instance, I would like to learn at least one person from the group. Okay, where should we do it? I would like to learn one skill for this new job or new opportunity or whatnot, right? What skill would that be? And then we can start changing our narrative, right, with these limiting beliefs. And that is what it's all about, using it to grow. And I'm curious, what tools are you using for these limiting beliefs, and how are you dealing or tackling with these? Please, if you have comments, questions, ideas, or feedback, either to this video or the videos in general, just leave a comment or send me a message. That would be awesome. And if you like these videos, please consider to subscribe and share. That's it. Have a super awesome day.